A reliable hammer is a must-have in any DIY toolbox. Whether you're hanging a picture, assembling furniture, or tackling light construction, the right hammer makes the job easier and time-saving. But with so many styles and features to choose from, picking the right one can be overwhelming. To help narrow it down, we've rounded up 10 of the best hammers for everyday DIY tasks, from simple fixes to more demanding projects. The Martinez Tools Purple M1 JOKESTER hammer isn't just built to perform, it's built to stand out. With its bold purple finish and precision-engineered design, this hammer combines personality with pro-grade functionality. The ergonomic handle is shaped for comfort and control, reducing fatigue during long shifts and helping you stay efficient on the job. Inside, a precision-balanced head delivers powerful, accurate strikes with minimal effort, whether you're framing, finishing, or tackling general construction. Forged from premium materials, it's tough enough for demanding tasks and built to last. The JOKESTER's unique aesthetic makes it a conversation starter on any job site, but it's the thoughtful design and Martinez's legendary build quality that make it a true workhorse. Whether you're a seasoned tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast, this hammer offers the kind of versatility, durability, and comfort that elevate your workflow. It's more than a tool, it's a statement piece with serious performance. If you want a hammer that's built to last and feels solid in hand, the DEWALT 16-ounce one-piece steel hammer delivers. Forged from a single piece of steel, it offers long-term durability with no weak points or joints to worry about. The integrated side nail puller makes removing stubborn nails quick and tool-free, while the nail start system lets you position and drive nails with one hand, ideal for tight spaces or awkward angles. These thoughtful features show DEWALT's attention to how real users work. Whether you're framing, finishing, or tackling weekend DIY projects, this hammer balances strength, comfort, and function in a way that suits both pros and homeowners. The ergonomic grip reduces fatigue during extended use, and the overall design makes it easy to handle without sacrificing impact. It's a dependable, well-built tool that earns its spot in any toolbox. Simple, tough, and ready for action. If you're framing walls or working on heavy-duty builds, the Vaughan California framer is a trusted choice among pros. Its extra-large striking face delivers serious impact with every swing, while the milled face grips nail heads to reduce slippage and improve accuracy. The magnetic nail holder makes one-handed starts easy, no fumbling even on ladders or in tight spots. Inspired by Vaughan's classic 999 rip hammer, the smooth-swept claws offer reliable nail pulling without damaging surfaces. The extra-long hatchet-style hickory handle is shaped for both strength and comfort, helping reduce fatigue during long shifts. Available in 16, 19, and 23-ounce versions, it gives you the flexibility to match the tool to the task. Whether you're driving nails or pulling them, this hammer combines power, balance, and ergonomic design to make framing faster and more efficient. It's a rugged, well-crafted tool built for serious work. When consistency and comfort matter, the Ox Pro Claw Hammer delivers a well-balanced blend of durability and control. Forged from one-piece professional-grade steel, it's built to handle demanding tasks without compromising strength. The non-slip grip handle offers excellent shock absorption, reducing hand fatigue during long workdays and keeping your grip secure in any condition. Its precision balance design improves ergonomics and strike accuracy, helping you work more efficiently across a range of materials. Available in 16, 20, and 24-ounce sizes, it gives you the flexibility to choose the right weight for your workflow. Whether you're framing, finishing, or working with drywall, this hammer performs with reliable consistency. It's a practical, no-nonsense tool that suits both seasoned pros and beginners looking for a dependable addition to their kit. Built tough, designed smart, and ready for action. Sometimes less is more, especially when you need control, comfort, and precision. The Mr. Penn 8-ounce small hammer is built for those moments when a full-size framing hammer is overkill. Crafted from high-density carbon steel, it's tough enough for everyday tasks and resists rust over time. The soft, non-slip ergonomic handle keeps your grip secure and your hand comfortable even during longer projects. Weighing just 8 ounces, it's easy to maneuver in tight spaces or delicate setups. A magnetic nail starter helps with one-handed positioning, and the built-in claw makes nail removal quick and clean. Whether you're assembling furniture, hanging decor, or working on small woodworking projects, this compact hammer offers the right balance of durability, control, and convenience. It's a smart addition to any DIYer's kit. Lightweight, reliable, and ready to go. The Boss Hammer Pro Series titanium hammer is the ultimate tool for tackling any project, big or small. Whether you're framing a house or working on a simple home improvement task, this premium titanium hammer is built to get the job done quickly and efficiently. Its hex head design makes driving nails or fasteners a breeze, while its lightweight titanium construction ensures that you won't feel weighed down during long projects. Plus, it's stronger than traditional steel, giving you durability and precision for years to come. The hammer is fitted with an overmolded no-slip rubber grip, making it far more comfortable to use than those with wooden handles. The rubber grip absorbs shock, reducing joint strain and preventing injury, so you can work longer without discomfort. The hammer also comes with degree and inch markings for measuring, adding even more convenience for builders and DIYers alike. Made with pride in the USA, the Boss Hammer Pro Series titanium hammer is crafted from premium titanium 64-grade titanium, ensuring maximum strength and longevity. If you're looking for a reliable, durable, and precise tool for your next project, this hammer is an excellent choice. And if you are into heavy-duty DIY projects, we would like to suggest the Fiskars Pro ISO Core. One of its standout features is the ISO Core shock control system, which dramatically reduces strike shock and vibration. In fact, it absorbs 6 times less shock than traditional wooden handles, so your hands and arms experience much less strain during use, allowing you to start nails with one hand, perfect for working in tight spaces or when you're handling a lot of nails. The strategically textured soft grip handle enhances your hold, keeping the hammer firmly in your hand even in sweaty or slippery conditions. Plus, it helps reduce the risk of blisters. The Fiskars Pro ISO Core framing hammer is a decent choice for framing and construction. It's built to last, feels comfortable to use, and gets the job done with good performance. When durability meets smart design, you get the Estwing 16-ounce straight claw hammer, a tool built for more than just driving nails. Its rip claw versatility makes it ideal for pulling, prying, and light demolition, while the extended handle adds swing power and control. Forged from a single piece of American steel, this hammer is virtually indestructible. No welds, no weak points, just solid construction that lasts. It's a go-to for pros like framers, roofers, and contractors, and a dependable pick for serious DIYers. The real standout is Estwing's shock reduction grip, which cuts vibration by up to 70%, keeping your hands and arms comfortable during long projects. Plus, it stays slip-free even in messy conditions. Whether you're working overhead or on the ground, this hammer delivers comfort, control, and long-term reliability with every swing. It's a no-nonsense tool that earns its place in any toolbox. If you want serious performance without the weight, the Stiletto T-Bone titanium framing hammer is a top-tier choice. Made in the USA from durable titanium, it's 45% lighter than steel hammers, yet delivers the same striking force, reducing arm fatigue without compromising power. The 180-degree side nail puller makes removing 16D nails fast and easy, while the straight claw design handles everything from 8D to duplex nails with precision. A magnetic nail starter with a brass bushing keeps nails securely in place for one-handed starts, and the replaceable face and grip ensure long-term performance. The milled face offers solid contact and control, making it ideal for framing, remodeling, scaffolding, and pole barn work. Built for pros who demand strength, versatility, and comfort, this hammer is more than just a tool. It's a long-term investment in your workflow. Lightweight, rugged, and ready for the toughest jobs. This Alutech hybrid hammer blends forged steel and aluminum for a lightweight yet durable build. The partially hardened head, shaped similarly to DIN 7239, delivers reliable impact performance, while the aluminum monoblock body ensures long-term toughness without excess weight. Weighing 750 grams with handle, it offers a balanced feel that's easy to control. The magnetic nail holder allows for one-handed starts, and the two-component ergonomic grip minimizes vibration and fatigue during extended use. Though it's not VPA or GS Red Dot certified, it is VPA tested, giving tradespeople confidence in its quality. Designed for professionals who need precision and comfort, this hammer excels in both driving and pulling tasks. Whether you're working on roofing, framing, or general carpentry, it's a dependable tool that combines smart design with rugged performance. Available in sets of 6, it's ready to outfit your crew with reliable, job site-ready gear. And that's a wrap on our roundup of the 10 best hammers for DIY projects. Whether you're framing, finishing, or just hanging a few shelves, the right hammer makes all the difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, drop a comment, and share it with your fellow DIYers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.